I'm locking myself in my room. This is not another Mr. Beast video. This is gonna be actually an educational video. An educational video which came to my mind after months and months of trying to figure it out. Because I fell victim, like you probably did as well. So today I'm gonna break to you down how we are lied to in music production business, in generally e-commerce space, because this is no longer just music production. You are no longer just making beats. You are no longer just a producer. You are your marketing guy, your cover art guy, your Shopify guy, your like fucking beatstars guy. Like, fuck. You are doing everything that is humanly possible, and that's correct. That's correct. If you are doing it right now, you are doing it right. If you are not doing it currently, you need to watch this video until the end. I'm locking myself in my room until there is nothing much to do. Because let me say to you, I recently have been working my ass off. I've been working straight for like 12, 13, 14 hours. And I can confidently say I like this. I really enjoyed this. And my time is really wonderful when I'm just sending emails, when I'm building relationships, finding another artists, and working on my Shopify store, because I'm working on dropping a drum kit right now. Like, this is wonderful work if you are really passionate about it. But if you've been trying to make it for quite some time right now, like I think 3 to 4 years, maybe even like 5, 6, 7, 8, you may fallen victim to this idea of passive money, of purely passive income. And don't get me wrong, I like it. When you get this dopamine hit when you sell the first beat on BeatStars, or you just woken up from a nice dream, like you've been with a girl, you just woken up, you look at your phone, right? You look at your phone and you see the BeatStars, the PayPal notification, right? This is the best feeling that ever can, like, if you are a music producer, you're like, you get me. But that's not all. And if you are insanely talented or insanely lucky, you're gonna have to work harder than that. You're gonna have to do other things. And there was this like consensus, because there was this like discussion around on the internet that no, just the passive money, nothing, like you don't need to work, you just sell beats while you're sleeping and you just make your type beat channel. This is nice, but this is not gonna make you rich. This is one of your assets, and if you are thinking like a businessman, there is also always something to do. There is always something that you can put your mind on. And if you are really serious about this business, because this is a business, this is a career path, this is a life path in some way. And if you are really serious about making beats and you really enjoy it, you shouldn't really mind it. I lived in this false idea for a very, very long time, that there is nothing really much to do, that I just need to make my type beats for today. Like, don't get me wrong again, that was actually a lot to do, because I was making a lot of channels in that time. But there is so much fucking extra stuff to do, extra side quests. Like, you are in a game, imagine that, like you are in MMORPG, like for example World of Warcraft, and you can go to like a different quests and you can complete them, and you don't have to always do the main storyline. You can do side, you can level in dungeons, you can go on a fucking trip with your friend, like you can go on a PvP area. There's always so much to do. And if you're bored with one thing, like you are just fed up with type beats because it haven't been working for you, you haven't joined my community yet, and you don't know how to successfully like conduct your type beat channel, like how to find a niche, anything like that, you can do other stuff, bro. You can repurpose those beats and find artists in that style, because like I have around 2 to 3K, 2,000 to 3,000 beats laying on my fucking Google Drive, bro. Like, not my Google Drive, my SSD. You know what's funny? I can't really do shit with them because I don't do the channels anymore. But I can find artists who are making music in that style and send those beats to them. I can make like a bundle packs, make a Shopify page, and make a funnel with them, and make separate beat packs that are discounted. Like makes free beat packs in exchange of emails. There is so much to do. Like if you were to really like think of work, think of something to do, you could work 24/7 if that was a possibility. If like you could take a limitless pill and just work and work and work and work. But you are lazy, no? I was too. I can admit it. I was too. Until you admit, like, in front of yourself that you are just a lazy piece of shit, and you want to just money to be flowing like that, you know? You just want the money to come, and you don't want to work. There will be later stages in life where you could achieve that. Okay, that's not a problem. Or if you are very lucky, very talented, that could come early for you. For me, it hasn't been like that. I'm gonna be honest with you. It hasn't been like that for me. If we already established that you're gonna have to work for money, how you're gonna do it? How you're gonna do it? Simple as that. Okay. As you know, I'm always preaching three things, like staying in shape, girls, and your purpose, your biggest motivation in life, which should be music if you're watching me, right? So I've been out of shape because I just tattooed my back. I've been like out of shape for last week or so, but I'm still looking good. Like, see, like, do you see my body right now? Let me see. I can see myself in the mirror, but yeah. So I look pretty decent still, even like not working out for a week or so. But here is the thing, bro. You need to not worry as much. You need to not worry as much about your physique, about your body goals, but you need to maintain it. And you need to maintain it successfully. So I recommend you going to the gym, not every single day, but maybe like up to 5 times a week. Or 5 times a week, okay? Or 3 times a week. But you're gonna do quicker, like longer training. So if you're gonna do a longer workout, I think I'm gonna end up going 5 times. I'm said to myself I'm gonna go 3 times, but I think I'm gonna go 5 times. But that should be except for groceries, that should be your only way from home ever. Except working, you should wake up, go to the gym, do groceries for the next couple days, and just work. And just find stuff to do. Don't sit on your phone, don't play games. If you are like bored, maybe go just on Tinder, write to a couple girls, like watch some reels and stuff. Like I don't really mind if you are gonna do this for 5 to 10 minutes. Like do some fucking, but don't invest yourself too much. I can watch reels and confidently say, I cannot be addicted to reels right now. Okay. Just pour myself some Coke. So I can confidently say I cannot be addicted to reels. This shit doesn't bother me. But if you can, stay away from it, like maybe do something else. But my main thought with this is, I'm locking myself in my room, and I'm gonna work and work and work and work, and I'm not gonna fucking stop working until there is nothing left to do. I'm gonna only do the groceries. I'm gonna only meet like for the weekend on Tinder, like to just have some fun. Don't think like you should go like totally clean. Like you've gotta have some fun, bro. But make this fun like meaningful in some way. Meaningful Tinder, what the fuck, bro? No. Meaningful in that way, that is fun for me. And that contributes to, because I don't treat Tinder just like fucking. I treat it like knowing another person, like a platform to meet people as well. So make this even like, if that should be going out with your friend, that's fine as well. But don't make it regular, and just focus on working, bro. Just focus on working, bro. Make the groceries, make the diet as simple as it is. I'm not right now. I've been eating the same meal 3 times right now because I was just too lazy to make other stuff. But I'm eating for breakfast 5 eggs scrambled and 1 avocado. I don't know how to fucking say it in English. For second meal, I'm eating 400 grams minced chicken with frozen vegetable and frozen spinach, and that's all. And for my third meal, I'm eating 100 grams of oats, skinny quark, like the light version of quark, and cottage cheese with protein powder. And this is my whole diet, bro. And all the meals are like to be prepared in 5 to 10 minutes. And I'm done. So if you're gonna take one key thing from this video, because I just went off track, kind of, but kinda not. There is always a lot of stuff to do. But you need to get on your ass and do it. If you're struggling with making money, if you're struggling with not having shit to do, just sit on your ass and think, is there something that I could be doing that I'm not doing right now? Because I can confidently promise you that there is. That's it from me today. Join my school community. This is the first link in the description. Bye bye.